the special fried rice, we need some rice, 1 egg, some meat, rencah nasi goreng kangkung seasoning from CIG, some kangkung, and some cooking. Fried rice, here are the ingredients. First of all, cut the kangkung into 3 centimeter pieces. Put in our meat, our egg, and stir together. Kangkung and cook until half cooked. Okay, and finally put in our white rice and stir with the meat and the vegetables. Ini kampung seasoning daripada CIG. Well, the special fried rice is now ready to be served. This special fried rice was prepared using rencah nasi goreng kampung seasoning from